Hello everyone, it's your friendly neighborhood community manager Fraz here for a quick how-to video on navigating Discord. If you've got no experience in Discord or you've only used it a couple of times here and there, this video will walk you through step-by-step how to get your Discord experience started. The first thing you're going to want to do is head on over to discord.gg and create an account if you don't have one already. Please make sure to verify your email. This is an important step for getting you into the Social Bluebook community Discord. Discord works on browser, but its full potential is really unlocked via the Discord app. So if you'd like to get the full feel of Discord, I highly recommend you install the app. When it's time for you to join the server, you'll get an email with an invitation link. After clicking the invitation link, you'll be directed to a member screening. Here, you'll be walked through the rules and asked to accept them before gaining access and being able to chat in the server. Once inside, you can select roles based on your specific interests. This will open up additional channels for you to interact with. Inside the Social Bluebook community server, you'll find channels associated with several of the social media and content creation platforms. We also have some general channels for you to look through under our Social Bluebook community tab. Social Bluebook Academy and coaching includes some FAQs on how to get started on the Social Bluebook platform, as well as some coaching specials and some quick bios about the coaches that we have. You'll also see 3 stage channels. Now, these channels are the ones that we'll be using for our coaching sessions within Discord. They are a voice-only platform-style channel where you can have up to 4 members who are speaking and up to 1,000 members in the audience. People can request to speak that are in the audience based on specific permissions that are granted inside of the server. You'll also see categories for YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, and Twitch. As the server grows and we start adding more information to the Discord server, be sure to keep an eye on the branding monetizations and audience channels in each of those categories. It'll give you important tips and tricks on how to grow your business. There are a couple of important features to know about text channels. The first is where to find pinned messages. So if you ever ask a question and someone says, hey, make sure you check the pinned posts first or pinned messages first, you're gonna wanna go into the channel that they're directing you to and click the thumbtack up at the very tippy top. And then you'll be able to see any and all pinned messages that are in there. Additionally, it's important to know how to mute individual channels. You can mute individual channels, you can mute entire categories, you can mute the entire server if you want to. All it takes is going up to each category or server or channel, and you can either click on the bell up at the top to completely mute a channel. This will mute it until you decide to unclick the bell and turn it back on. Or you can mute the category or channel for a specified amount of time. So if you don't want to get notifications for something for a day, you can turn it on for 24 hours, for half a day, 8 hours, for an hour if you're trying to focus on doing something, or for 15 minutes. The same applies to when you're muting the server. You can also edit your notification settings. By default, the Social Bluebook community server is set to only @mentions. You can also turn off your mobile push notifications and suppress any @mentions of your role and suppress @everyone and @here. You can also add notification overrides. So if there's a specific channel that you want to go past your current settings as far as notifications, you want to make sure that you get all of them, go ahead and add that into your channel overrides and you'll get all of the notifications for that. Additionally, when it comes to voice channels, so you'll see a couple of voice channels in the Social Bluebook community server. As of right now, they're all set to push to talk, and none of them currently have video access if you are not admin or staff. However, if there is a server that you're in and you've got the ability to use voice activity, all you'd have to do is just make sure that your voice and video is set up correctly, so your microphone input device is set up and your output device is set up where you want it to be. You'll also want to make sure to go into the keybinds section of your settings and set up a keybind for push to talk, as all of the channels in the Social Bluebook server are push to talk. The final feature in the Social Bluebook community Discord that you should definitely know about is our report feature. If you see a message that violates any of the rules in the server, you should definitely report it. Now, if you want to report it silently, there's an option to do that. You can always also ping an admin or a mod if you see something going on that needs our attention. However, using the bot also helps us track the messages in the event that a message gets deleted before we can take action. So there are two ways that you can do this. If you want it to be known that you made a report, again, pinging admin or @moderator is the best way to go about doing that. Additionally, using the !report and then a message link is going to send the report through the bot to our admin and mod only viewable reports channel. If you would like to make a silent report, you can do !report, and that will send a silent report without any trace of it being in the channel that you're reporting the message in. But with all of that said, welcome to the Social Bluebook community Discord. We're excited to have you, and we're excited to help you along your journey.